Good evening, one and all.
Proceed.
Sir Ramaraju, sir.
Hello?
Please proceed.
Okay, sir.
Please proceed.
Shall I continue? Bhagi Prasad?
Nagaraj sir,
please
continue చేయండి.
Nagaraj, sir,
Okay.
please continue, sir.
Okay, sorry for the interruption. Good evening, one and all. Myself, G. Nagaraju, working as assistant professor in the Department of ECE, SRK Engineering College, and coordinator for this program. AICT sponsored a one-week national level online short-term training program on innovative teaching and learning methods for inspiring students, organized by Department of ECE, SRK Engineering College from 12th to 17th October 2020, came to an end with the validatory session this evening. Received an overwhelming response from participants belonging from throughout the country. I welcome you all, the dignitaries and participants, to the validatory function graced by Honorable Principal SRK Engineering College, Bhimavaram, Dr. M. Jagpati Raju Garu. Closing remarks will be shared by Mr. B. Bhagi Prasad, Co-Coordinator, Department of ECE, SRK Engineering College. Please.
Thank you, sir. So, respected dignitaries,
Hello.
Bhagi Prasad? Hello, Bhagi Prasad. We are not hearing you. Okay, so coming to the closing remarks, all the sessions are very effective.
participants for
Okay, continue, Bhagi Prasad.
about innovative teaching techniques. And this program was immensely useful for the young and enthusiastic faculty members. This in turn will help in motivating participants towards learning techniques for their students. I thank all the participants for their cooperation. The following feedback was received from the participants for the last 5 days. 86% of the participants felt that the delivery and the presentation of the resource persons were good, and 90% of the participants were of the opinion that the program brought the innovative ideas in teaching and learning process. 90% of the participants opined that the program was coordinated very well. The participants endorsed the fact that such programs should be arranged regularly. The short-term training program is organized to disseminate knowledge on different innovative teaching and learning activities. Faculty members from all over India have registered for this STTP at about 311. On an average, 120 to 140 participants are attending this STTP every day. The participants includes academicians and the research scholars. Many professors and heads of the departments or reputed institutions are also among the participants. And we are fortunate that the distinguished speakers like Professor R. Natarajan Garu, former chairman of AECT and former director of IIT Madras, Dr. K.V. Subbaraj Garu, professor of Center for Human Excellence and Leadership Projects, SRKR Engineering College, Bhimavaram, Dr. P. Parthasarathi Garu, professor, Associate Dean R&D Publications, Department of ECE, KLEF, Padeshwaram, Dr. A. Srinath Garu, Professor and Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, KL University, Vijayawada, Dr. P. Kishore Kumar Garu, Associate Professor, Triple Department, Jain Deemed to be University, Bangalore, Karnataka, Sri B. Sudarshan Garu, Senior Art of Living Faculty, and Dr. C. H. Renumadhavi Garu, Associate Professor and HOD, Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, RV College of Engineering, Bangalore, Karnataka. and Dr. SRN Reddy Garu, Professor, HOD of CSE Department and Dean of Examinations, Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women, Delhi. They all have shared their knowledge and made the sessions very informative and interactive. And for this valedictory program, we have amongst us Dr. B.V. SSN Rajgaru, HOD of EC Department, and the heads of various departments. Now I invite Chief Coordinator of this program, Dr. P.V. Ramaraj Garu, to address the participants.
Thank you, Prasad. Is it my voice audible?
Yes, sir, audible, sir. You please continue, sir.
Okay, thank you. Respected principal, head of the department, ECE, all the distinguished speakers, dear participants, and one and all, a very good evening. I understood that all of our participants would receive ample information about the recent and latest innovative teaching and learning methods that are useful for inspiring the students. I expect that all our participants would implement this equipped knowledge once they are on their platforms so that the young students will be benefited more. Sudarshan has shared a wonderful knowledge which we don't get from any literature. If our participants practice this, definitely their psychological positive levels will be elevated, help them a lot during their course of journey. Today's session, Dr. S.R.N. Reddy shared real-time models and how we can carry outdoor education and made a wonderful session. I'm proud to announce that there are two more programs are scheduled that are one in November 2020 and the second in December 2020. I am concluding by extending my thanks to our college management, principal, HOD for their cooperation.
Bye, Prince. Saruchar. Yes, sir. You please continue, sir.
Please carry forward.
So thank you, sir. Now I invite Dr. B.V. SSN Rajgaru, head of the Department of ECE, SRK Engineering College, to express his views on this short-term training program.
Hello, Bhagya Prasad.
Yes, sir. You please continue, sir.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Okay.
Fine, sir. You please continue.
Okay, thank you. Respected principal, sir, respected HODs and professors, dear staff, my dear participants coming from different places, good evening, all of you. I am Professor B.V.S. Raju talking to you on this last day of this teacher program. I'm very happy to note that the EC department of SRK Engineering College has successfully conducted a STTP on innovative teaching and learning methods. It's a 6-day program. Such FDPs are essential in a dynamic education system. We need to prepare the next generation of teachers. And also, the COVID-19 pandemic has challenged all of us to think, live, and work in new ways. Education is also no exception to this because knowledge is fluid and undergoes a continuous expansion. So to people, I want to a few words of advice to people who are forward looking, want to tell a few points. So we teachers must be progressive in thinking and aggressive in doing things. So it is no longer remains as a passive lecturing. It demands learning by doing approach, interaction, and the skilling of the students. And also the teachers of today have to play the dual role of a teacher as well as a simultaneous learner also. That means every teacher must consider himself as a student and embark on a path of continuous update. Earlier, teachers are considered like a fixed source of knowledge, radiating information. Now all that has changed because of the technology and with the proliferation of internet and the gain of universal access. So teacher's role has changed to a mentor, facilitator, and builder of professionalism. The next point is now time has come for teachers to adapt to modern teaching, adapt to technology, adapt to students, and adapt to technology assisted learning. So one more thing is very important point is if you want to have a brand of your own or you want to become a self-styled teacher, so tools and methods are at your disposal. And because of globalization, so don't forget the competition. So there's everywhere competition. So people are taking the heat of already of that globalization. So I'm sure this program has fulfilled all the expectations of the participants. I can definitely say you have some definite takeaways out of this program. Now it is time for saying thanks to all the people involved. First and foremost, let me thank our management for always encouraging us. And I also thank our principal for his constant support. And let me thank and appreciate Professor P.V. Ramaraju and efforts of his team, Nagaraju, Bhagya Prasad, James and Sanjay for making this program successfully concluded. And I also thank all the resource persons for accepting our invitations and contributing to the FDP. So thank you all the participants and I wish them all success. And finally, we are all teachers. So let me say happy learning and happy teaching. So finally, let me thank all of you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. So I request a feedback from the participants on this short-term training program. So participants are requested to give their feedback on this ACT sponsored 1-week national level training program.
I am Dr. KVSN Raju. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's audible, sir. Please continue.
Yeah, I just want to add something to this. See, first of all, I can say the program went on very well. Being part of the department, I don't think it is proper to appreciate ourselves, but the fact is very good efforts have been taken by all the coordinators and especially the chief coordinator, Professor Ramaraju, and the initiative from the principal, HOD. So the program went on very well. So I just want to condense in just 2-3 minutes what has happened being part of the department for the sake of the people. So at this point, I think it is appropriate to say that, I have 40 years of experience in SRK Engineering College starting from 1980 to 2020. So with that experience, some observations I want to make. So the institution has given me an opportunity to grow. The people of our generation, who were born after say in the 50s to 60s period, they have grown with the technology. They have seen the primitive things to the latest technologies. And most of the participants are going for a comparison between the traditional system and the modern tools. So change is inevitable. You cannot say one is better than the other. Ultimately, if you look into the overall lecture pattern, I can say technology we can always learn from the youngsters. The tools are one aspect, the attitude is another aspect. If you look into the 6-day lectures, some of you may be getting surprised why at this age I am attending this. Because teacher's job is a continuous learning process. So one has to be a learner if you want to be a good teacher. So on the first day, Professor Natarajan has mentioned about the new education policy and definitely has given some suggestions. And that was followed by Dr. K.V. Subbaraju garu. And especially, I can say 2 lectures, 2 days programs are on attitude aspects. So Subbaraju mentioned about the learning styles, the mindset, and the trust that is needed, some of these aspects. These things are connected with, that is the foundation on which we make use of the modern technology. Tools is one aspect, content development is another aspect. Teacher's role is as a mentor. You have to inspire. Nowadays, everybody is talking about innovation. On second day, Dr. P. Pardasarathi mentioned about some of the ICT tools, Tinkercad and other things as mentioned, about the virtual labs, So that is a technology related one. And Dr. Srinath mentioned about the real world application and bringing together the academicians and the outside industry. Unless we have an interaction, meaningful learning and teaching cannot happen. So on the fourth day, Dr. Kishore Kumar explained about the Google Classroom as a tool. There are many tools, which see it is for us to decide which tool to use. Content is important, attitude is important. And Sudarshan has mentioned about Pancha Kosha meditation. See, nowadays in the present day world, everybody is tense. So how to get relaxed, that is very, very important. How to lead the life happily, that was taken up by Sudarshan. And Renu Madhavi, I can say Dr. C.H. Renu Madhavi, see OBS and online teaching methods. That lecture is highly informative, I can say. And today's talk by, of course, the S. Ramnarayan Reddy is a highly practical person. And see, nowadays everybody is talking about the projects, real-time projects, innovation, all those things. So that aspect has been taken care. And finally, what I can say is, with all my experience here, teachers are not judges. We cannot simply say this man is good, this man is bad. The mentoring is an important process that can only happen if the teacher is a continuous learner and he has compassion, and the teacher has to get connected to the student. Then only meaningful things will happen. So teacher should have a overall knowledge. He should be a philosopher. See, he should know about the current day developments. He should grow. See, unless we change, see, effective teaching learning process cannot happen. So definitely I can proudly say, I feel proud. See, for this, for the department has conducted very well this program. And I can say all the lectures are informative. Let me conclude that trust is one aspect and commitment. These are the two things. See, we have to trust people. What we say, we must follow, then only meaningful things will happen. And commitment, is not commitment from the teacher is needed. See, any amount of technology can, any amount of tools can come, but ultimately the role of the technology or the tools is to content delivery. Content development is one aspect. So teacher's effort has to be on content development, the mentoring of the student. These things are very, very important. That is the foundation on which you can use all modern day technologies. So for patient learning, listening to all these lectures now, I can just make a suggestion with all my experience to the participants. Teaching is a challenge, and we have to get connected to the students. See, we must learn at this age also. I try to learn from students. No, see, knowledge acquisition is a continuous process. One has to evolve and one has to grow in life. So definitely, once again, I thank all the organizers of our department, especially the management, the principal, and of course the HOD and Professor Ramaraju and other coordinators. So I think the job has been well done. Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank you, sir.
Bhagi Prasad.
Hello.
Sir.
That Balaprasad is on the line. Please ask him to continue.
Okay.
So respected Nagaraju, coordinator Nagaraju sir, and co-coordinator Bhagi Prasad Garu, and HOD of EC department Raju Garu. A very good evening to all of you. I am Dr. K. Balaprasad from RVR JC College of Engineering talking with you. And actually I have gone through all the sessions of all the 6 days lectures, and you are very well organized the program, and you are excellent in getting the most experienced resource persons for this program. All the resource persons have explained very well the detailed, the innovative and teaching methods, how to involve the students effectively in learning the things. Definitely, this is a very useful program, particularly for the young faculty members. And I expect some more very good interactive programs from the same college in the near future endeavors also. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Balaprasad, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And we request some more participants to give the feedback on this program.
Bhagi Prasad, if not, if
Okay.
anybody is not ready
Right,
to
sir.
give,
Right.
we
Okay, sir.
conclude and go for
Right,
the
sir.
chapter.
Okay, sir. Let us go for the next vote of thanks. Okay, thank you all the participants. So now the vote of thanks will be delivered by Mr. G. Nagaraju, coordinator of this program, Department of EC, SRK Engineering College. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhagi Prasad. On behalf of organizing team, I thank the management of SRK Engineering College and principal for permitting and also providing the support for conducting this program. I thank Dr. P.V. Ramaraju Garu, Chief Coordinator for this program, for his encouragement, constant support, and guidance at every stage in conducting this program. I thank all the eminent speakers for their outstanding lectures as they delivered. All the sessions are very informative and interesting, and I strongly believe that the knowledge shared in these sessions will be very useful to all the participants. I thank the co-coordinators, Mr. B. Bhagi Prasad, Mr. P. James Vijay, organizers Dr. S.S. Mohan Reddy Garu, Mr. A. Harish Verma, Mr. B. Sanjay, who had been working continuously since last few weeks and making this program successful. I also convey our special thanks to Sri B. Sudarshan sir for his timely technical support in conducting this program. I also thank Dr. Park Raju Garu to bridge this program and ACTE to make successful. I thank Dr. A. Subramanya Raj Garu, Head of the Department Civil Engineering, SRK Engineering College, for his support in providing the facility in conducting this program. I also thank all the participants for their enthusiasm, cooperation, and professional behavior throughout all the 6 days of program. I also thank all the participants for their inputs in terms of daily feedback, which helped in organizing this program more effectively. Last but not the least, I also thank all the who have directly or indirectly involved and helped in organizing this program. On behalf of this program team and from SRK Engineering College Association and from Department of ECE, SRK Engineering College, our special thanks to program sponsor AICTE, Government of India. Thank you all. We'll close this valedictory function with a national anthem. So all of please stand up and join in this.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you all. One instructions for the participants. Final feedback form will be provided to you in chat box. and also we'll provide in WhatsApp also. The link will be active till 8 p.m. I request all you to submit the feedback and you will receive your e-certificates within a week. Thank you all. Thank you once again. Sir Ramaraju sir.
Please close.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.